Hey, car enthusiasts, are you ready to elevate your driving experience and add a touch of modern elegance to your car? In today's video, we're diving into a detailed comparison of the game-changing universal crystal shift knob with other popular gear shift upgrades. Let's face it, your car isn't just a vehicle, it's an extension of your personality. Upgrading your gear shift knob not only boosts the aesthetics of your car's interior but also enhances comfort and control during your drives. First up, let's talk about versatility. One of the standout features of the universal crystal shift knob is its compatibility. It fits most manual and automatic cars without lock or button shifters, thanks to its three adapter options: 8mm, 10mm, and 12mm. This makes it a hassle-free upgrade for nearly any vehicle. Now, let's talk about style, because we all want our cars to look amazing, right? The universal crystal shift knob features a diamond-cut synthetic crystal design that not only looks luxurious but also feels incredibly smooth in your hand. But that's not all. The built-in LED lights take it to the next level. With touch-activated, multi-color illumination, you can choose from 7 vibrant colors to match your mood or your car's interior. Talk about a showstopper. Alright, let's move on to installation. No one wants a complicated process, right? The universal crystal shift knob is designed for easy installation. Just twist off your old knob, pop in one of the included adapters, and you're good to go. The package even includes a Type-C charging cable and a charger for the LED light, ensuring that your gear knob stays powered up and ready to shine. On the other hand, some alternatives might require special tools or modifications, not exactly ideal if you're looking for a quick upgrade. So, what makes the universal crystal shift knob a must-have accessory? Here's a quick recap. Fits most manual and automatic cars with ease. Touch-activated LED lights with 7 customizable colors. Durable, high-quality materials for long-lasting performance. Easy installation with all the essentials included. When you combine style, comfort, and functionality, this gear shift knob delivers on all fronts. And there you have it, the universal crystal shift knob isn't just an accessory. It's an upgrade that adds personality and flair to your car. Whether you're cruising down the highway or parked at your favorite spot, this gear knob will definitely turn heads. If you're ready to give your car's interior a makeover, I've dropped the link in the description below for you to check it out on Amazon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome car accessory reviews and tips.